When planning your solar setup, should you wire your panels in series or parallel? This video breaks down the differences, pros, and cons to help you decide which configuration is better for your specific environment. Your environment will determine the winner. Before wiring, make sure to assess your shade risk, check your budget, and evaluate your local climate. In a series connection, solar panels are wired together to increase the total voltage. While the voltage adds up, the current remains the same. Series wiring offers cost and efficiency benefits. Because the voltage is higher, you can use thinner, more affordable wiring and often require only a single circuit breaker. Series wiring is also a low-light champion. The higher voltage allows the system to begin charging your batteries earlier in the day and perform better under cloudy conditions. However, series wiring has a major drawback: shade vulnerability. If one panel is shaded, the current drops for the entire system, significantly impacting your total power output. Parallel wiring is the opposite. Connecting panels in parallel adds the current together, while the total system voltage remains the same as that of a single panel. The key benefit of parallel wiring is its shade tolerance. Because each panel is wired independently, shaded panels won't cripple the performance of the unshaded ones. Parallel wiring does come with increased cost and complexity. Higher total current requires thicker, more expensive cabling, and you will need a combiner box with separate fuses for every panel. Additionally, parallel systems face the voltage struggle. Lower voltage can delay charging, and hot panels might struggle to push a charge to your battery efficiently. In summary, series offers lower hardware costs and better low-light performance, but suffers in shade. Parallel handles shade exceptionally well but requires costlier, more complex infrastructure. Choose series wiring. If your location has clear, unobstructed sunlight, you need to minimize hardware costs, or your climate makes early, low-light charging a priority. Choose parallel wiring if your site faces unavoidable shade, you are powering a mobile RV or van, or your budget allows for the necessary thicker wiring and combiner boxes. Ultimately, your environment designs your system. Match the wiring configuration to your specific reality to get the most out of your solar setup.